Get ready to pucker up. How could you get the perfect pout just in time for Valentine's Day and take the perfect selfie?
You
It's all
could,
about the
right?
Selfie.
They've got these lip fillers, and they create a plumper lip, and I guess a little bit more youthful appearance.
They do. So how does it all work? Welcome back, dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Joel Schlessinger. Welcome.
Good to see you, doctor.
Great to be here, just in time for Valentine's Day.
Just in time. It's here already. Now, lip fillers are very popular right now. They've been becoming more popular.
They really are.
Explain what they are to everyone who doesn't necessarily know.
Well, actually, I even brought them in, a little show and tell. So right here, if we pan in on this area here, this is Restylane Silk, and this is Volbella, which is a newer filler. So Restylane Silk was the first lip-only filler that came out about.
And that's on the left, okay, right?
Yes.
The Restylane.
And then the Volbella came out about a year ago, and Volbella lasts up to a year, which is phenomenal. The Silk lasts about 6 to 8 months maybe. And the beauty of these fillers is that they look natural. They really do look very natural. And I think that, you know, as you mentioned with the selfie and the ducky lip look, it's really something that a lot of people are doing.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's really not all that hard. I'm demonstrating it right there. And it takes not more than a few minutes, and we can end up injecting those lips and making them perfection.
When you talk about the injections, the new products have gotten a lot better because you've seen some bad lip injections in the past. I mean, obviously, you know, you take special care in how you guys do it, and you want that natural look, and that's what you guys are trying to get to.
Absolutely. And, you know, I have to say, you know, as much as I'd like to say that the new products have gotten better, it's not the product, it's the person behind the product. And so
it's how it's injected.
It's the art.
Right.
It's the art of how it's done to make it look natural. Because if you do lip fillers and you're not good at it, you're not going to get a good lip filler result. And you're going to get something that looks like, you know, the trout look or the trout pout as they call it, or, you know, ducky lips, or something that doesn't look good. And we want to have something that looks natural. I mean, you know, it's a very important thing on how you do it. Now, the thing that I will mention that not many people understand is that there is a limited variety, a limited range of what you can do. So I get people coming in all the time, I want to look like this actress, I want to look like, you know, Kylie Jenner or something like that. And, you know, various people have various ranges in their lips, and you're not going to take a person who has very, very thin lips and turn them into Kylie Jenner or Angelina Jolie. So you can see it has a very nice look there, the before and after lip. And that was done with silk, and
it's subtle, but it makes a difference, you know. So it doesn't look like she just all of a sudden came out, you know. It looks like the same person.
Yeah, that's the idea, to make it a subtle improvement. And as you can see, she's about 55 years old, and so she had a little bit more desire for a modest lip. She didn't want to look like a 20-year-old, but she wanted to look a little bit better. And this is a younger person. This is actually one of my employees, and she did it, and it really made a nice difference.
Look at the upper lip.
Yeah.
Looks great.
It really turned out very nicely.
I'm sorry. Go ahead. I'm sorry, doctor.
No, that's Volbella there. Yeah.
So that's the other product.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Should you have different expectations depending on how old you are? If you're an older person, are the results different than when a younger has the injections?
Absolutely. And you know, the thing is that we want to make sure that the lips match what that person would have normally at that age in the best scenario.
So you don't want to be 50 years old and have 25-year-old lips.
Exactly.
Right.
You don't want to be wearing that 25-year-old lip as a 50-year-old.
Yeah, absolutely. So we know that it's a pretty easy treatment. I mean, it's fast. What is the downtime like, if any downtime?
Well, you know, there can be swelling for about 24 hours. So if I do it on a Wednesday, somebody's going to be ready for the weekend to go out and about. But if you want to do it on a Friday, you're going to have some discomfort on Saturday, and you probably don't want to have it done any closer to the weekend than Thursday, probably Wednesday, Thursday.
And we saw some video of you doing the treatment. How long does it take? And I imagine what type of results, the outcome that you want, kind of depends on how long it's going to take.
Right, exactly. It's going to take a very short time to get the lips that you want, but I sometimes want to do it in stages. So very occasionally I'll ask people to come in and we'll do a little bit, see how they like it, and make sure that that's their preference. And it's so important that people have a realistic expectation, both going into it and afterwards they're going to have those lips for about 6 to 12 months. So we want to make sure that they have something that they're happy with. I always tell my patients it's sometimes like a game of 21. Sometimes you don't want to go past that. We know where it's going to look good, and you don't want to go overdone because then everybody can tell that you've had it and it doesn't look good. And that's, you lose after 21, I tell them.
Right. It's not hard to find those that have been overdone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you see it right away. So you also brought in a special for new patients. You always bring something great along. Let's take a look at that. A new patient special. You can save up to $300 off on your first treatment of Botox or filler treatments. That's a heck of a deal. $300 off.
Yeah.
Wow, fantastic. And call Dr. Joel Schlessinger at 402-334-7546 or hit up lovelyskin.com/cosmetics. And what I like about you is we trust you. You're so professional, so you got to get your lips done there.
Well,
get your lips done with Dr. Joel.
Well, the thing is, you want that natural look.
You
don't want to be able to say, she's had her lips done.
Well, and there still is time to do it before Valentine's Day. I can tell you that we have a lot of people coming in, and you'll look great for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Doctor. Good to see you. Have a good
you.
weekend. Happy Valentine's Day.
You too.